What up, guys? Just got some new toys for the toolbox at work. So I'll be taking my regular Allen tees home. But this is the, oh, right there, bondhus T Allen heads with the ball end. This one is the standard 10-piece, and this one is the metric 8-piece. It came with the stands, which I have them over on the counter right now. This is kind of a unveiling opening. So, oh, okay, I see. Smaller ones don't have the ball, but the bigger ones do. On the on that set, and on the metric, pretty much the same way. So let's open this up. Holy shit, that is long. It actually feels really good in the hand. Not saying I'm going to do it, but that'll fuck someone up. And then we also have the smaller ones here. I'm just going to take one of them out. So even for a small one, that's pretty long. And this one's the smallest one in the set, actually. 3/32. So yeah, it actually feels really good in the hand. I wish they made it to where it was on the end also, but for T-handles and for the price, this is actually pretty good. I could have gotten this set plus the Torx one on Amazon for about $100, so all three sets for $100 off of Amazon, but I really wanted them. I was in Northern Tool here this last weekend, and I saw them, and I'm like, I gotta get them. I want them. So I bought this set. Between both of them, I think the total I spent for both of these was about 80 to 90 bucks. So I'm really happy with them, especially when you can go to Matco or Snap-on, you know, the tool trucks, and they want to charge you like close to $100 per set. And theirs don't even come with the ball end. Theirs is just straight. So this, I was like, hell yeah. But yeah, the yellow handles for the SAE, red handles for metric. So these are actually going to be really nice. And I guess if you guys want to order these, let me put this away. Like I said, you can get them on Amazon. You can buy this as a separate set. It looks like the metric, the part number, is that 13189. That's for the metric. And the standard is the 13190. Yeah, and then you can also get a Torx T-handle if you go to Amazon and you look up this brand of bondhus. You can actually get a 3-piece set, which is going to cover your standard hex, your metric hex, and then you can also get a Torx. You can get all three of them for $100. So I think that's a really good deal. You'd of course have to wait for them to be sent to your house, but I guess if you don't care, that's an awesome deal. So kind of an unboxing of this stuff. So I'm actually going to be really satisfied with this. I can't wait to use them. But yeah, you guys have a good day. Catch you on the flip. like always, thank you for subscribing. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell when I come out with more stuff. And then if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Comments are welcome. And like always, keep your shiny side up, grease your side down. We'll get you guys on the flip. See ya.